No,
Yum yum.
Cool, dig in, bro.
You're allowed.
Woo! He's like, are you sure? He doesn't like that. Like the drums.
Oh, he doesn't like that.
Don't you like the drums?
What else is in there?
Stick your finger in it.
He hardly
that?
touched it. Oh. He doesn't
Must
know
be
that
some
you
there
should
cake
bring
under
it
there?
He doesn't know he can break it.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh,
He
yeah.
doesn't like his hands
Yeah, get mommy.
dirty.
What's that?
He doesn't know to taste it.
He doesn't know what to do with it. Uh-oh.
Let him taste some of it.
Put his finger in his mouth.
No, he doesn't want to.
You want
No.
some cake? What's this? What's this?
He's just like you.
Do you want to try?
Oh, you got some
No.
on your shelf. There you go.
Like drums. Hit it like the drums. Oh, oh. He might just throw up on it. Oh, he's kidding.
Yeah, his face is going in.
That's what I make in my cake.
Like his cookie.
Good boy.
All right then.
Nice.